Orbit Finance, hybrid self-repaying lending protocol, DeFi plus RWAs. Orbit Finance transforms yield-generating assets into autonomous debt-repaying engines that eliminates manual loan repayments. Borrow once, your yield pays back. Orbit Finance enables users to deposit yield-generating assets, on-chain DeFi tokens, or tokenized real-world income, and borrow instantly while the yield automatically repays the loan over time. So, why Orbit Finance matters? There are no manual repayments or EMIs. It reduces liquidation risk through declining debt, unlocks real world income inside DeFi. Current credit systems are flawed. Borrowers must manually repay loans, which sounds stressful and risky. Traditional DeFi lending compounds debt instead of reducing it. Real world income streams, rent invoices, are illiquid and untapped. No existing protocol unifies DeFi yield plus real world asset income. Borrowers face liquidations, fragmented yield, and limited credit access. So, Orbit Finance will enable automated self repaying loans using yield, seamlessly combine on chain DeFi yield and tokenized real world income, and eliminate manual repayments and liquidation anxiety, unlock new liquidity by making real income streams productive, and provides global access to safer and efficient credit. If we try to understand the Orbit Finance flow, users first deposit collateral, DeFi asset or RWA token. Orbit issues borrow tokens instantly. Collateral is deployed into yield strategies. Yield is automatically applied to debt repayment. Debt shrinks over time. Collateral unlocks. If you try to understand behind the scenes, DeFi yield stays on chain. RWA income flows via compliant SPV to stable coins and then on chain. Self-repaying loans powered by yield, no EMI or manual repayments, DeFi plus RWA compatible collateral in a single lending layer, automated yield routing directly reduces outstanding debt, lower liquidation risk as debt declines over time, modular and scalable design for future yield and RWA integrations. These are the quite interesting features of Orbit Finance, which turns Orbit Finance into productive assets, into autonomous debt repaying and financial agents. If we try to understand the Orbit Finance flywheel, there are more deposits, higher TVL, multiple yield sources, DeFi plus RWAs, automated repayment reduces liquidation risk, tranching attracts layered risk capital, and protocol performs fees bolster reserves. And in the result, a self-reinforcing ecosystem safer for users and scalable for partners. Let's discuss the tokenomics for Orbit Finance. ORB, the governance token, protocol governance, voting rights, and treasury decisions. SRORB, senior tranche, which enables low risk yield position, first in the line for yield distribution. JRORB, junior tranche, higher risk, higher return, acts as a buffer to protect SRORB holders. If we try to understand the 2 months roadmap, from 0 to 6 months, we will be doing MVP audits and launch preparations. In the coming 6 to 12 months, mainnet launch, stablecoin borrowing markets, DeFi collateral plus yield pools. In the next 12 to 18 months, RWA onboarding pilots, rent invoices, SPV income to be transferred into on-chain flow. And then in the next 18 to 24 months, DAO governance launch, multi-asset RWA ecosystem, some institutional partners, and beyond 24 months, cross-chain expansion, permissionless RWA pipelines. If we discuss about some concrete milestones, DeFi self-repaying MVP live on testnet, core automated repayment engine deployed, first audits completed, and early user onboarding and yield strategy integrations, RWA SPV plus compile and structure design, build secure and validate the core protocol. Discussing about the team, Itachi Uchiha, the founder of Orbit Finance, currently the head of developer growth at HackQuest, previously worked at Avocado Wallet, powered by InstaDApp, focused on protocol vision, developer ecosystem, and partnerships. Dipti Pathak, co-founder for Orbit Finance, full-stack front-end engineer leading Orbit Finance front-end, UI and UX design, and product experience, actively driving product execution and community engagement. Thank you.